let's do L. What starts with the letter L?
Lemon.
Lemon, that's right. And what starts with the letter P?
P. Ba.
That's a tough one.
P.
Mm-hmm.
P.
Panda.
Panda.
Yeah. What starts with the letter R?
K.
No,
K.
R.
What does it make?
R.
What is it?
R. Ring.
Yeah. Robo.
Ro. That's right. What? Can you tell me something that starts with the letter M?
Mommy.
Mm-hmm. What about the letter T?
Dixie.
No.
What is it?
Tiger?
Tree.
Yeah, that's right.
Tree.
Now what about the letter S? What starts with the letter S?
Snake.
That's right. What about the letter Q?
Quinn.
Quinn, that's right.
Quiet.
Yes. What starts with the letter U?
Umbrella bird.
Yes. What starts with the letter V? What is it? Didn't you talk about it yesterday? V.
V.
Uh-huh. What starts with the letter V?
Violin.
Violin, that's right. Wow. Can you tell me something that starts with the letter B?
Bobby.
Bobby? That's true. What about the letter C? K. Can you think of something that starts with C? Cat?
Cat. And coffee.
Yes, that's right. Very good. What about D?
Dixie.
Yeah.
No, I want.
Good job.
Talk.
Say bye-bye.